Welcome to Channel Kids. Click tombol subscribe, like, comment, and share. Menggambar dan mewarnai ular.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two.
Mari kita warnai teman-teman.